Hi, I'm Andrew Moore, founder of UKSOL Solar Panels. Today I'm here with Tien in Vinh Long, which is west of Ho Chi Minh City. And we're here at a government building, the Trade and Industry Department, that are in the middle of installing a 40 kilowatt system on the top of this government building flat roof, and using mounted system designed by Tien and G. So we can see a couple of his employees here, and then they're going to be putting on the UKSOL 330 watt poly modules to complete the installation, which also uses a CACO inverter. So it's good to be here today and see once again another fantastic installation by Tien and his team, and great to see the progress that they're making.